Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Let's talk about the Delysium. How you can make money, how you can stake, and you can earn up to 600% APR. How you can make every single day, how you can earn free tokens, how you can buy the node, what is Delysium, and how the heck did 15x from the listing price. If you see the price today of Delysium AGI token, it's 0.32 cents when I'm doing this video. So that's 10x times 11x times the listing price, what was exactly 48 hours ago while I'm doing this video. Now, there are a few things we need to understand first. First thing first, everything here is only my personal opinion. Everything what I'm saying this video is my personal opinion. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything. Be careful, stay safe, stay positive. If you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, I highly recommend go and watch. I'm helping the poor children in the Philippines, India and Africa. I'm using my crypto to do a good stuff. And what are you doing about that? Okay, are you helping anybody or not, or just sucking up the money and spending everywhere? Okay, so go and watch the video. It's mean the world to me. So the question is, what is Delysium? Before we go, how you can go and stake and make money. So I did full AMA with these guys, and also I did a couple of videos full in-depth explaining what is Delysium. So basically it's a triple A metaverse game. Also they have their first AI, okay? It's like ChatGPT but on Web3. It's called Lucy. So you can go and ask her everything. You can interact with the contract. Basically you can ask Lucy, you can connect your ledger or MetaMask. You can ask her to send tokens from this address to this address, and she will do for you. You just need to approve. So it's pretty crazy thing. Okay, so if you go to the main website, okay, so this is the main website, and you can go. You can have the AI, you have the game, the DMA, and about. So if you go to the about, the white paper is the first. If the first basically walkable, playable white paper. Okay, let me just go back. So that's the white paper. Go and check. It's pretty crazy, guys. You can go and read everything. It's like a game. The white paper is so awesome. Okay, so if you go to Delysium, so the goal of Delysium has been constructed to a virtual world, okay, where 1 billion individuals and 100 billion AI virtual beings coexist on the blockchain. Okay, so basically they want everybody, every one of us, everybody who is on the blockchain to have their own AI avatar, okay, to interact, to upgrade, and then to go and play and do different crazy things. Now, I'm very hyped because I want passive income. So how you can make the passive income? Okay, you can buy the token and hold and potentially go up and, you know, sell for profits, or you can buy the node and make passive income every single day, and you can stake. And let's go and find out how you can do that. So that's why I'm hyped. You can buy the node because this, according to me, is a very close to the Gala games, and I don't want to miss that node again. This is not just for a month, 2 months. This is, for me, it's a long hold. Months, years, maybe, potentially years. That's what I'm looking for. Now, also, the very important stuff is, if you go to the, let me see, if you go to, where is that? If you go to Epic Game Store, okay, if you go to the Epic Game Store, they have over 230 million unique players, okay, active users in the Epic Game Store. So Epic Game Store is listing, okay, it's going to list right here. You can see this game, okay, it's not out yet completely. It's coming out yet completely in about 4, 5, 6 months according to the last AMA what we did. So this is the trailer. You can go and watch it, but let's just check it out. Alright guys, I think go and watch the trailers. They're absolutely amazing. You can go and play the game, okay, you can go and play the game. Now the game here is coming in a couple of months time. I hope so. I guess we're going to get some updates, and I think that can blow up the token also. Okay, now let's go and let's see how we can make a passive platform. So if you go to the Delysium, okay, you have here DMA. If you go to the DMA, you will see there already 13,000 sold. If you go and try to buy DMA, you will see the price is $1,700. So when I promote this, I didn't promote, when I bought my first node and when I did the first video, okay, the price was $1,000. A lot of my members bought between 1,000 and 1,200. Now more notes are sold, the price will go more up. Now how much money you can earn, because if you spend now 70, almost 1,800 bucks, and this will only go up, okay, how much money you can earn? Well, let's go and let's see my notes. So I have two different notes, one what I'm sharing with my team and one for myself. Now you will see I have 4,000 tokens, okay? In today's price is almost 1,200 bucks. So if I sell them all, you can go withdraw, connect, okay? You connect with your wallet, you can withdraw to your BSC chain, you can go to BinX, okay, right here to this exchange, and you can sell them, okay? You don't need to pay the Ethereum fee, and then you can make everyday single passive income. So I was thinking to hold this token or to sell them. So my second node, I had around 2,000 tokens and I sold them. Okay, so if you buy the node for 1,800 bucks, how much tokens you earn? Well, let's go and check. Right, today I earned 46 tokens. I was earning 100 tokens when I bought this node, and that was around what, 40 days ago, 40 days ago. So if I sell this one, I just ROI and made around 20%, 25% profit, okay, if I sell this one. Okay, now do I'm going to sell? Probably not, but if I sell, I'm planning to add more money and to buy a second node. So just think about this one. Now you're earning 46 tokens, but more nodes are sold, less tokens you earn. Okay, do you remember a few minutes ago I said I was earning 100 tokens per day? Now if you go here to activity history, you will see daily rewards, okay, that I was earning. Let me just go back to the end. Let's go back to the end. You will see here February 23rd. Now it's March, so April, so around, I have this one around 2 months almost, so around 50 days. Yes, around 50 days. So I was earning 100 tokens. However, in that time they were sold around 6,000 nodes, okay, and now they're double the nodes, double less the money we have. Now remember, okay, what's happening with the rewards is they have every single day around 600 tokens to split around all the people right here who have the nodes. Now next year the rewards will be cut on half, the year after that will be cut on half. So I think these have huge potential for the next couple of years. So that's why I'm thinking to buy maybe one more node. Okay, so why? If you see the today price with the tokens you're earning, you're making around 15 bucks per day, and you will see, Phil, that's not a lot. Yeah, yes, but in only 100 days, if the price stays this one, we don't know, maybe the price will go down or maybe will even go up. You'll see 16% up just today. You can ROI probably in approximately 110 120 days. So in about 4 months time you can ROI. If the price go up, you can ROI much faster, or you can get the tokens and you can stake them. You can see here, you can go and stake, and how much you can earn, 604% APR, and that's crazy. How you can stake? You go to connect. Once you connect your MetaMask, you need to provide LP pools from Cake, so from PancakeSwap. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this on Binance Chain you can only stake, and you stake right here on the what's called on this website. Okay, so you go, you provide LP pools, and you stake. So once you connect your, I don't want to connect here on the video, my MetaMask. Once you connect your MetaMask, it's very easy. You go follow the orders and you will see. And when you follow the orders to PancakeSwap, you bring right here to PancakeSwap, you provide USDT on Binance Chain and AGI tokens, and then you connect your wallet, you provide liquidity, and then you go and stake them. Make sure you learn what's impermanent loss, by the way. Okay, so that's about it, how you can make a passive income. Okay, so 604%, that's if you stake them for 2 years. 1 year is around 300%, so you can stake them for 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months, something like that. Make sure that when you go there, when you stake, your tokens are locked. Okay, make sure you understand that. Now let's go and see how the price blow up. Okay, so when you go to the BinX, this exchange, you will see here on the 11th of April at 1 p.m. UK time, this was listed right there. The price was 0.028, blow up all the way to 0. Let me just move my face, 0. Right there, 48. Okay, so that's around almost 15-16x, and today price, you will see we have little blow up 0.31 cents. I think this have huge potential upside in the long run, or maybe will go down, no one knows. One of the reasons why the market blow up today for the Delysium is because of the staking. Now if you go to the markets on CoinMarketCap, you will see it's you can trade on KuCoin, PancakeSwap, okay, so V2 Ethereum and also V2 Binance Chain, Gate.io, Bybit, MXC, okay, we have PancakeSwap V3, we have Uniswap, BinX, Bitmark, Bitforex, DigiFinex, XT.com. Okay, so we have so many exchanges right now. Don't be surprised in the future to see this one could be listed on Binance, or maybe on Coinbase also. Now that's about it, guys. If you have any question, let me know. If you want to buy the node, by the way, don't forget to use my code if you want to be eligible to win $100. So this is the code what you need to use, PEPKBD for David. Now if you use this code, if you decide to buy a node, again no financial advice, you'll be eligible to win $100 by the end of the month. Again, thank you so much everybody for watching, subscribing. If you have any question, hit me in my Telegram group. If not, you can leave a comment in the description and I will be able to answer to you anytime I'm available. All right, thank you so much. Have a lovely day wherever you are. God bless, stay positive. See you next time.